have a one-owner vehicle here, just in it, unique, specialty and classics. This one's a 1995 Ford Bronco 4x4 XLT. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 62,517 at the moment. And again, one owner beauty. Let's take a look at this chrome on the front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille, black clear coat, opal gray leather interior, and we're going to get to that in just a bit. Of course, the 5.8 liter. It's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures. You can be able to see this thing from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay. Unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website, and of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Look at the condition of those polished wheels, very nice. Michelin radials. Tech said there's plenty of tread left on those, and they're in good shape. They are date coded 06 though, so you're aware of that. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see this paint. It's in nice shape considering what, 30 years old now. Around the wheel wells, lower rockers, all good shape. Running boards have been installed. If you want to see the still picture of the window sticker, that will be with the rest of the pictures of this vehicle, as well as the owner's manual, some other items from when it was new as far as some of the paperwork. There's a showroom brochure, and again, that window sticker. So you'll be able to see it does have the preferred equipment group. Rear end 355 gear ratio with limited slip, electronic transfer case. Again, check out those still pictures and that window sticker, uniqueclassiccars.com. Trailer package, as you can see, a receiver down below that bumper, chrome in the rear bumper, good shape. It will come with a cover. We're going to include that, and there's actually a floor protector in there also for the cargo area. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. Stick around to the very end of this video, and Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like these Broncos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see lower rockers around the wheel wells, all in good shape on this one. Paint obviously has a nice shine to it. You see the reflection in that black paint. Once again, clean Carfax, one owner, low mile for 95, 62,517. Door panel looks good. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, mirrors. Take a look at the condition of the seats. Also in nice shape. The leather not showing much wear on there. There's the exact miles. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is all working. That was a cold start, as you can see. AM, FM cassette player. Did have that working earlier. Dash looks good. So no surprises on the interior either. You can tell this is well taken care of. Headliner's good. Take a listen. Sounds pretty stock to me. Alright, let's go pop this hood open, take a quick look at the engine bay, and like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood, and engine bay. Don't come much cleaner than this. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, 5.8 liter. If you're in the market for a 90s Bronco, don't know where you're going to find one much cleaner. I don't think this one's going to last very long. One owner, clean Carfax, number to call 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1995 Ford Bronco in black, in very nice condition. If this were white, it would remind me of a certain Bronco that ran from the cops in the 90s. But this one's looking good in black, and it's gray interior. Automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Pretty low miles. We're showing less than 65,000 miles. And it feels like that. There's a couple drips hitting the windshield. Don't be afraid of that. That's just enough to show you that our wipers do work. The radio also works good on this truck. I have not tested cassette, but FM is working as it should. The AC's blowing cold. Our gauges are functioning. The oil pressure showing 2/3 of the way up. The battery a little over half. Our temperature is 1/4 of the way up from cold, and the fuel gauge is showing over 3/4 of a tank. Tachometer equipped, that's working as well, and the speedometer. Horn working. This is a nice road field. Somewhere between a truck and an SUV, kind of the Bronco was, with a full-size frame for more capability off-road. Cruise control works on this truck. Brakes are functioning well. Very stock sound and feel to this truck. A time capsule back to 1995. If you missed your chance to buy one then, this is a prime example. And what you're probably looking for: leather bucket seats, leather bench seat in the back. Very nice. 1995 Ford Bronco. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.